Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Derin and this is DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious and easy to make breakfast recipe, and that is the chia seed pudding. So this is actually a highly nutritious recipe, but before we go into today's video, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, which is that button you're seeing on your screen right now, and also on the bell sign. So chia seeds, actually I highlighted the benefits on my Instagram post, so please feel free to check out my Instagram, and please don't forget to follow me. So it comes in this color and also comes in the white color, and that is what the chia seeds looks like. So let's get into the list of ingredients for this recipe. So the first thing would be to add in your coconut milk into a clean mason jar. Next, I'm going to be adding in my protein powder. This is an optional ingredient. You can skip it if you don't have a protein powder. So I'm using the Detox Organic vanilla protein powder for this recipe. Next, I'm going to be adding in my chia seeds into this mixture. So to add a little bit of sweetness into this chia pudding, I'm using diced dates, and I've just diced it. That's the diced pitted dates, and I'm going to be adding this into the mixture. Next, I'm going to be mixing in everything. Just make sure you mix it properly to ensure that the protein powder dissolves thoroughly into the milk. So I'm going to have this covered up, and I'll be leaving it in the refrigerator overnight. So next day, this is what my chia seed mixture looks like. You can see that it's actually thicker than the previous day. That's because the chia seeds have actually swallowed up. And then you're just going to pour this into your serving cup. I just like this with some banana slices. And I'm just going to be scooping some of my chia seed pudding into that glass cup, and I'm going to be topping up with some berries. The fun thing about this recipe is that it's so versatile. You can actually switch it up and use it with any other fruits. You can add some mangoes, diced mangoes on top. You can use diced kiwi, whatever fruits you love. You can just spice it up and use it to garnish your pudding. And the other thing is that you can make this in batches, and then in the morning when you're about to go to work, just scoop in the base ingredients, which is the pudding itself, and then you can garnish with your favorite fruits or nuts. So this is actually a very versatile breakfast, and it's so easy to make. It's something you just make once and you forget about it, and then the following morning you just take it out and you serve. So this is the finished look for my chia seeds pudding. You can see how inviting looking this is, and it's also very nutritious, and you can see how lovely this looks. So I'm just gonna dig into this and taste this nutritious food. You can see how lovely this looks, and I bet you it's so tasty also. So guys, that's the end of this video recipe. Please try as much as possible to make this delicious breakfast pudding, and when you do, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. I will be sure to reply your comments, and